Here's WebCure Fast Stable VPN app. So let's just open it up. And then here you can see how it works. So then, yeah, you just would be able to add your VPN configurations in the settings. Just enter your passcode, add your VPN configuration. So here, for example, you see I added it already. It's called WebCure. And then you just select different countries. And then you see that only United States is has a free option. To all others, you need to upgrade. You need to upgrade. And then you can just tap connect. And then the button becomes green and it says connected. And then you just connect it to it. It's not possible to select like different cities or anything in states. You can also check your IP, but that's like quite limited free version, but seems it's working and it's very minimalistic, easy design. Like you can figure out everything yourself. Just to set up this app literally takes like 20 seconds. So it's not some complicated technical VPN. So yeah, try it out. So this is the app WebCure. It has still quite few ratings, but it's already quite high in the charts of the apps. Try it out.